Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this property is.
Hey, how are you?
Good. It's like a villa sitting up on top of a hill here. This is
We try to bring a
amazing.
little bit of California over here with us.
So the house is super cute, but we're not doing the house, right?
No, inspiration is the barn.
Darn.
We love where we are, but we do feel disconnected from our friends and family that are spread out. My family predominantly in Northeast Kentucky, Kelly's family all throughout California. We really want to turn the barn into a livable space to host our friends and family.
Just like a little home away from home, literally just next to our house.
Yeah. So having a spot gives the opportunity for everyone to come here, feel comfortable, have that character of the barn, but the comfort of a home.
Okay, so let's talk about how much do we have to spend on this remodel?
$275 to $280 is what we like to hold at.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
The siding, it's old oak. It's probably been on there for 100+ years, and it probably needs to be replaced. You can see cracks, and it's definitely not sealed well. If you want to make this a livable space, it needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
But you can do like a wood grain, board and batten cement siding that will last another 150 years.
Yeah, we want it to last, but we might be able to repurpose it somehow, which would be really cool because it is so pretty.
We would love that.
Okay, so the plan for out here, we're gonna have to replace all the siding and we're gonna add windows. We're gonna create a nice central large entry with a nice door and really just preserve the character of this barn. We'll paint it and we'll reuse as much of the barn wood as we can.
Welcome.
Wow.
Oh, this is amazing. This is a great space, you guys. This
It's
is
definitely a clean slate.
Yeah. The overall plan for this space, number one, we gotta take out some of this upstairs area and you just can see up to the ceiling. We're gonna create a nice central door where you walk in. We need to find a place for a staircase to go upstairs. We need a living room with fireplace. We need an exterior door with lots of glass. We need a game room. We need a kitchen and we need a bathroom.
Yes.
That's it.
We are essentially leaving the bones intact of this old barn, but we've got to do all new plumbing, all new electrical, all new siding, all the rooms that we've got to build out. I mean, you name it. We've got to do everything in this barn without allowing the barn to crumble around us. I feel like it's going to be really hard to pull all this plywood up, so I went ahead and I brought in everyone.
Yeah, literally, everyone's here.
We got to divide and conquer. We'll get this thing knocked out, get it done, go home. I want to take from the bottom side and I want to knock all of this plywood up because I'd really like to keep these joists. The homeowners want us to salvage as much as we can of this old wood and reuse it. So I think if we can get this floor back where we've got about 16 to 20 feet over there for a couple bedrooms and a bathroom, we'll be in a good place. I'm gonna make some holes. All right. Just get it started, then move on to another one. That's it. It's a 100-year-old barn. The outer walls of this old structure, they're basically being held together by the second floor holding them in place. So we have to be really careful. Work is starting on the Burton barn. The concrete pad for the new front entrance has already been poured. But unfortunately, on the inside, the work is going really slow. We're struggling with this barn floor. It just seems like we cannot grind enough to get it smooth. Every time we do, we expose a new crack, we have to epoxy that crack, and it's just taking a long time. We will get there. We're just not there yet. Unfortunately, until we get there, I cannot do all of the framing downstairs. Upstairs, looking great. We've got both bedrooms and the bathroom already framed out. And we are cutting the holes for the windows. We're also repurposing the old entrance into the upstairs as a balcony for one of the bedrooms.
So, Mike and Kelly told me that they have family coming to visit in 6 weeks, and they really want to have the barn ready so that the family can stay here instead of having to rent a hotel room.
And we'll get all of it done. We'll get there.
Whew, we've got a lot of work to do in this joint.
The Burton barn has taken a lot of deconstruction just to get it stabilized. We had to put beams in to hold the walls together, but now we're secure. Downstairs, the concrete delayed us about a week, but we're finally able to frame in the kitchen walls, the bathroom, the staircase. We've got to run electrical, as well as install plumbing on the main floor and for the new bathroom upstairs. So we have a long way to go in a short amount of time, but that's okay. All the structure is there now.
Wow, that looks so good.
Got both doors, look at this. They can open it up.
I know, it looks really good. Are you guys done?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to talk kitchen. What I'm envisioning in the kitchen is an open concept with pretty green cabinets that are just fun and inviting. I want to carry the salvaged barn wood that we're going to put on the walls of the living room and put it on the ceiling to make the space extra warm. Mike and Kelly want to be able to have large gatherings here, so we need plenty of space for them to congregate and cook with their guests. Okay, so this little bathroom down here. So this is where the sink's gonna be. I'm picturing doing, okay, we do all this whole wall in white tile. I'd love for you to create a custom vanity that looks rustic. I've got a cute light on order, but then over here in the shower, we wrap the walls. So imagine a row of this color, and then a row of white, and then a row of this color, a row of white, a row of this color, a row of white, and then repeat.
Use every color? Cream,
All the way
mint,
around.
and brown, huh? So the tile that Jenny picked, it's bold. It really is. I mean, you got different stripes, different colors.
And that'd be fun, huh? What do you think?
You know, though, they told us, make it something that is super unique, and she delivered. This is the fun house, so you might as well have fun with it.
We are under pressure. Mike and Kelly have family coming to visit, so we got a lot of work to do, but we will get this thing done. In the kitchen, the countertops are in, and we're installing appliances and a farmhouse sink. The slide's looking great. We have a new little angle to it, so it slows it down,
Yep.
a little more safe for the kids. The modern steel railing is coming together, and the lighting is going in, including a fun light in the downstairs bathroom that pairs well with the stripes in the shower. It's time to give the Burtons back their barn today. So we have to finish this place up. We've got a lot of little last-minute details, get all the furniture in, all the decor, get it ready for them to get in here and see this place. How cute did this table turn out? You did a great job. I love it.
Just like the walls.
This giant blank canvas we started with has gone from almost falling down to a gorgeous home.
Okay, this might be my favorite back patio. This barn is all about when family and friends come and spend time with the Burtons. They have a huge living room, a huge kitchen, a couple bedrooms, and most importantly, spaces that are fun.
How about that?
Perfect.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh. That is so awesome.
Very cool.
Hey guys.
Oh my gosh. Good to see you.
Hello, how's it going?
Good to see you.
Oh my gosh. I thought it was gonna be white. And this is like, wow.
Do you like it?
I love
Absolutely.
it. I love it.
It's a little more modern.
Yeah, you guys took the risk and it was worth it.
Got the new lighting, new windows.
love
You
those
actually have a front door where you know where to go.
Yeah, exactly.
We knew we had to have new doors that were insulated and
Yeah.
sealed, but we wanted to have some of that original barn feel. And that's something you'd see on an old barn, big sliding doors
I
like
love that.
Oh,
Oh my
my.
gosh.
oh my
Oh
gosh. This is awesome.
It's like a cathedral style ceiling. That looks amazing.
And then the beams with all the layers
I
of wood
love
too.
that.
We tried to take special attention, just like that one red stripe.
I just
love
saw
that.
That's the
that.
original.
I just
barn.
saw that. I was like, wait, that's part of the red. Oh,
yes.
that's so neat.
I love this view from here. Like you can take the whole space in.
Oh, this
Oh
is
my gosh.
absolutely gorgeous. Look at all the walls, Kelly.
I know.
We really tried to put that original barnwood throughout.
It's beautiful.
We have a fireplace. Yeah.
How did I miss the fireplace? I'm lost.
all about the
Yeah,
wood.
I'm lost in the wood. I missed the fireplace. There's so much to
There's
take
so
in
much
right
to
now.
like.
Oh my gosh, I just want to stand here for a minute.
I know.
So this space, we wanted to be a space that you guys can use a lot for your family and
Exactly.
friends. Everyone can fit in here. You have kind of individual seating areas, so kind of tried to break it up because it's a big space. So here we have our little like gaming table. You can see you guys coming and sitting at night and
Yeah.
playing a game. Dave actually made this.
Oh my gosh.
These bird baskets. So you have two of those that we found in the old shed, and Dave took old barnwood and put on top of that. So you have a table.
I love it. I love it.
And then this space is your relax, sit in front of the new fireplace with natural stone to bring in kind of that rustic feel to contrast with the wood. And then you have kind of the fun space over here in front of the door.
Love
is
this
so
door. Yeah, it's just having this massive bay door. This is awesome.
So Dave made this for you
What?
guys.
That's for you guys.
Are you serious?
This is for you guys.
And I imagine this garage door being open, kids flowing in and out, playing, sitting over here hanging out, and have a lot of fun. That's
love
just how we approach this project in
Yeah, it's
general.
fun.
Is that it just needs to be a fun space because that's what it's
Yes.
for.
I love
I don't know.
this.
Yeah,
I love it.
Gosh.
We're not
You
done.
gotta check out the kitchen.
Oh, I
my
love
gosh.
the cabinet.
It's such a perfect green.
And we did the barnwood on the ceiling. We also have the barnwood wrapped on the hood, the shelf.
Love that, the character that's still here.
Yes.
And who has a barn with a dishwasher? Come on, we have to be setting some kind of precedent here. Oh!
It's exactly what you think it is.
All right, I'll let Kelly go. All right, see, I'm good. Oh, the kids are gonna love that. That is cool. That is super cool.
All right, now go upstairs.
Oh, gosh. I love the view from up here, just looking down over everything.
It's like a house feeling.
Exactly. And the little small rooms.
Oh, this is perfect.
It's not a big space, but we know you just want to have a space for your family and friends to come
Exactly.
and stay. You got a little balcony because I know you love that backyard.
Yes. Oh, this is neat.
Well, and that's like a composite
This is the
decking.
composite.
So you
Yes,
never have to
that's
touch it.
That is nice. I think families stand in the main house and we come down here.
This is an excuse for us to stay here, Maine.
I love it.
So one more bedroom right around the corner.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh
this
my gosh,
is really
this is
neat.
so cute.
I love this.
We just wanted a getaway, like kids and again, family that comes here. We'll have so many unique spaces that they can
It's so much
they can
fun.
go.
And we're like, can we go to Arkansas and stay in that barn again?
Yeah, exactly. No, this is beautiful.
We're not done yet.
I know, so much more.
We got it, we got it. Oh, a rock wall.
You have two boys. We thought the barn
That
is a
is-
place where you're like, run off your energy. So they can literally climb up a wall, cross over, and climb down the other
This
wall.
is awesome.
It's yours
Sitting
too.
there, huh? Just like go all the way across.
I mean, again, like all back to like family. So to take a hallway and to make it into something that is an attraction
Because
is
we're gonna
so
want
cool.
to
'cause
climb something anyway. So we might
Exactly.
as well put them in the hallway to climb
Exactly.
something.
I'm jealous of our kids. Is that bad? Because they get to have this growing up? I love that.
You can check out this little bathroom.
Oh,
My
wow.
goodness, I love this light.
This is gorgeous.
Again, just a fun space, a fun bathroom.
This
Add
is
in
very-
some color, but muted colors. So it's not too crazy, but a little unique.
You outdid yourself. I didn't think I
Okay.
could be so excited over a bathroom.
I know,
But I
me
am.
We got one more space.
All right, let's go.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh, I love
love
this weird.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah, that is
Yes.
super cool.
And of course, you've got the screened-in patio, so you can use this all year round.
Yes.
Yes.
And on a rainy day, this will be amazing. On a
Love it.
sunny day, it's gorgeous in here. The
this
light
is
coming
beautiful.
through. We just, again, wanted another space for you guys to be able to use for meals or to sit and have coffee and really just take advantage of the incredible piece of property
I
that you have.
love this.
Yeah, this is gonna have a lot of use, that is for sure.
We grew
this
the
is
patio a
cool.
little bit just to kind of follow the contour of the creek.
Yeah, I love this, just being able to have a fire outside. This is amazing.
And this was just an unused, scary,
Very
piece
scary.
of
Really
storage
creepy.
situation. And so now I just love it out here. I can see the kids playing out
Yeah.
there, you guys sitting by the fire and just relaxing and enjoying.
Beautiful. Very, very well
my
done.
God.
You got to get your family in here.
Well, thank you very,
Thank
very
you,
much. I
guys.
feel like it's another
Yeah.
hug.
I think they're just envisioning the space full of family and friends and knowing that it is going to be a place where they make great memories
Yep.
and have a lot of fun.
What do you think? Oh, look, they were
And it's just a joyful, happy space.
It
and
is.
I love it and I'm so happy for them. So it makes me very happy.
Mommy! There's a slide!